going? You got on makeup? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie Aina, and a lot of you guys come to my channel for big lashes, big fat juicy lip, full glam. But what y'all probably don't know is one of my favorite looks for day to day is this kind of glowy, beautiful skin. Less is more. Not soft glam, because soft glam is still a full beat, girl. But my favorite everyday Jackie in her truest, most beautiful self is pretty minimal makeup, gloss, big lashes, and that's it. So there's a number of different ways that I like to get this look, and one of them is including a brand called UOMA Beauty. I've introduced UOMA Beauty on my channel actually a number of different times. They got bomb mascaras, bomb complexion products, bomb concealers. UOMA Beauty had a baby, it's a boy, and they launched UOMA by Sharon C. It's available in 3,365 Walmart stores. So that's kind of a big deal. And what makes UOMA by Sharon C different from UOMA is that UOMA by Sharon C is more price accessible. So, you know, for the girls who may be a little bit on a budget, there's to this day still like not a lot of brands that are like pocket friendly, that are simplistic and minimal, and that can give you a quick, cute, but still done up beat. And I already like UOMA Beauty. It's a Nigerian owned beauty brand. All of their branding just exudes Black excellence through and through consistently. And you know that's one of my favorite things to celebrate on my channel. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to get a quick glow up beat. I'm not gonna talk too much sooner because I know y'all gotta go. Using only products from this new line. And this video is gonna be done in partnership with UOMA by Sharon C. Thank you so much for being a wonderful sponsor. So without further ado, because I know you gotta go, let's go ahead and get started. Before we jump right in though, I'm gonna hurry up, I know you gotta go. Why haven't you subscribed? Let's talk about that. I just wanted to bring you a little closer to show you that I don't have any visible pores. And yes, it feels good. I'm kidding. No, I do have pores. And that's actually what I like about some of the products I'm going to be showing you how to use today. So you want to get out of the house. Okay, what are the things I typically like to address? I like to address a clear complexion. I like bright under eyes. So I want to make sure this area just kind of looks a little bit more refreshed, open to weight. I like big fluffy lashes, but I told y'all earlier, I like a gloss and maybe a little bit of a bronzy glow to the skin. This new line, UOMA by Sharon C, is described as accessible luxury, and it's not just makeup, also some light skincare products as well. You guys know I love a cleansing oil, and that's exactly what they gave us. I love a cleansing oil. I love a cleansing balm. I have oily combination skins. Ironically, the things that keep my skin in check the most are products with oil in them. I know it sounds insane. Don't run away from oil. Embrace oil. Embrace the oil in your skin. It will help you with aging. It will help you with overall oil control. Like, it actually controls my oil better when I use products like that. So this is the Go Off All Natural Cleansing Oil. I use cleansing oils every day and night. They're great to break down that first initial layer of like SPF, makeup, clogged, dirty skin. If you use a lot of waterproof makeup or a lot of budge-proof makeup types, I always recommend a cleansing oil. It just breaks everything down really thoroughly. And this is really lightweight and it has a nice, pleasant smell. Late to the PTA meeting. Stop it, damn it. Start with 1 to 2 pumps. Oh, it was dripping everywhere. How do people remove? Those of y'all who be removing makeup with like jewelry and rings on, y'all are braver than the Marines. How do y'all do? Like, aren't you paranoid? It's gonna like get in the. I don't like doing that. But anyway, you're gonna apply this cleansing oil just like I did on a dry face. I know it feels counterintuitive, but always apply oils, balms, cleanse off oils on your dry face, even when you're wearing makeup. Definitely seen people do this up to 5 minutes. You just want to really kind of soak it in the skin, rub and massage. Now I'm not at a sink, but normally what I would do next step is add a little water, and then it'll turn into this like milky white consistency and emulsify and really break down more of the makeup and dirt on your face. Since I don't have a sink, the next best thing is a hot wash out. You know, this is my favorite part. This part of my skincare routine lives in my head rent free. My skin feels so soft and supple after using this. And I'm not even done cleansing yet. By the way, this cleansing oil does retail for $14.99, and it does have a light citrusy scent, which I like because, you know, you're waking up in the morning, cleansing your skin. It's just kind of refreshing. So cleansing doesn't just stop at oil for me, and that's where the Go Off water activated cleansing wipes come in. I've been using this, so excuse the packaging, please. And they are literally water activated cleansing wipes. I make videos for the girls from my high school who used to always show up to class with next day mascara and eyeliner still in the face. Because at this point, I mean, there's no excuse. So I went and activated these by water. Like, you don't want to completely drench it, and I don't know why I grabbed 2. You don't really need 2 to clean your face, but you don't want to drench it in water. You just want to get it wet enough to activate the cleanser, because the cleanser is literally built in the wipe itself. It's a dry wipe. Okay, here come the suds. There they go. These are $5.99. And when you wet these, you don't want to squeeze the wipe. You don't want to do anything. You just want to get it wet enough to activate the cleanser that's in the wipe. I must say, There's something to be said about using like cloth when you're cleansing your face. It really kind of helps you get in your eyes and getting leftover residue, because sometimes just face wash is not enough, and that's why I like using a warm washcloth and these cleansing towels. Even sometimes on my lips, like the extra dead skin on my lips, and then in hard to reach areas like right near the tragus of the ear. Sometimes I forget makeup there. It won't always necessarily foam, but if it does foam, that's not a bad thing either. And for stubborn eye makeup, what you want to do is press and hold this right on top of your eye for like 5 to 10 seconds, and then you want to wipe. Shout out to Shay Mitchell.
Obviously tried my fair share of makeup removers, but these are by far my favorite. Even waterproof mascara, and leaves my skin feeling so fresh and so...
This does not burn my eyes whatsoever, by the way. And now it's time for our hot towel. If you're not fully energized after this step, then you need to just go back to bed, try again. So my face is fully cleansed and fully refreshed. And you guys know I wear my serums every single day and night without fail. And there are two, not one, but two vitamin C serums in this new collection, which are great to address hyperpigmentation, uneven skin, especially for those of us that are highly melanated like myself. This is the Supernatural Glow Super C10 serum, and then there's a Supernatural Glow Super C20 serum. These also have niacinamide, so these help with skin dullness and unevenness. My skin is drying by the second, so I'm gonna go ahead and put on C10. These are quick drying, fast absorbing, and they help protect the skin from environmental pollution, because I live in LA. So I told you I was gonna use 10%, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Oh, this is 20. I love me a vitamin C. Some people say it does something, some people say it doesn't. I like vitamin C, okay? So don't take my word for it. Do whatever the hell you want. So you don't wanna put too much on, and if you feel like the product pill, then you put on too much. But I'm just gonna take this and swish, swish, swirl right into my skin. And whatever I have excess, I like to actually put on the back of my hand. I like to pat this in. I feel like it just pushes the product in better. These both retail for $17.99. By the way, 18 Zolas. I'm just applying my moisturizer. The look of the day is refreshed, recharged, no worries. Tax season ended, summer 16, matching cohort season, resort wear season. We're giving glow, we're giving carefree, black or magic. That's what I'm giving this summer. I don't know about y'all, but that's what I'm giving. And even though I'm spending most of my day indoors, I still apply the SPF, because one thing about them UV rays, if you can see the sun, then the sun can see you. You still need to protect your skin even when you're indoors. I don't make the rules, okay? I just enforce them. Now let's jump into complexion. This is my favorite topic. We have some new foundations. They're a really beautiful, balmy, stunning, moisturizing, hydrating formula. I have a couple shades that I'm gonna swatch for you today. This is the Flawless IRL Skin Perfecting Foundation, and the color that I wear is Brown Sugar T3. This is described as a foundation, moisturizer, and beauty balm all in one, and I can tell you that is the perfect way to describe this product. It pretty much is those things all in one. It feels like skincare with tint in it. It has a velvety finish, and it's buildable, so 1 to 2 pumps is good if you want light medium coverage, but you can also build it up for a little bit more of a blemish-free look. I'm gonna apply with a brush, even though the brand does suggest you can use fingers, a makeup sponge, or a brush. All of the above, really doesn't matter. And I just want to show y'all how stunning this color is. I would say it's more neutral than anything, but it's kind of a perfect match, which is important because we don't have time to shade match. We gotta go. Now, I'm very much a build a beat type of girl, so I don't go straight in with like 3 full layers. So I don't really like going in with a lot of product. I like building my way up. So as you can see, that's what one pump did. So I'm gonna blend out this side and show y'all exact same thing I did on this side, and that covered a pretty good amount. And it also spreads and blends really quickly, which is good because we in a hurry. And to me, the fastest coverage is just to pat everything in. When you start swiping, you're basically taking the product on and off. And girl, absolutely nobody got the time. Speaking of time, had the time of my life. Okay, pump 2, a little bit more coverage. So I'm still glowy and I still look stunning. The Flawless IRL Foundation retails for 15 Zolas, aka $14.99. Okay, so as you can see, skin looks flawless. And by the way, I do use Brown Sugar T3 and Brown Sugar T2. Oh, real quick though, I'm gonna take a little bit of moisturizer. Before I show you the swatches, I'm gonna take a little bit of moisturizer and like a half baby pump of T2. I'm gonna mix these two together to create a little bit of an under eye brightener. Also, I can do this spot treat if needed. Before under eye balm and after. No, wait, sorry, before. This is what my bare skin looks like, and this is what it looks like with a little bit of zhuzh and refresh on this side. One thing about me, y'all know I love getting my money's worth, and I just basically showed y'all how to use the same product 2 different ways. You're welcome. Actually, the brand gave me this tip. I can't take any credit. I love mixing this in with moisturizer because it just kind of adds this beautiful blurring finish to the IRL foundation. And this does have supercharged skincare ingredients. Now I'm gonna show you guys some swatches. Girl, if you know Brown Sugar T1, Brown Sugar T2, Brown Sugar T3. Brown Sugar T3 is a nice olivey neutral, and Brown Sugar T2 I think is a bit more, not warm, but more a little red, a little bit more pink. T4 definitely giving me cooler vibes. Brown Sugar T5, stunning, rich, olivey neutral. And then I have Brown Sugar T6, which is on the neutral side. And just to show y'all how rich these colors go, Black Pearl T2. As you can see, that's pretty rich. One thing about OMA, they make a good mascara. I mean, they make a lot of good stuff. They are very serious when it comes to this mascara game. And I have not stopped using it since I first started trying this line. Batter boom, all natural. Volumizing mascara with 77% natural ingredients. That's a lot of natural ingredients. 77 natural ingredients, well damn, okay. What is it made out of, kale? The mascara is A50 Dualas, and I can definitely attest because mascaras are not all one size fits all. This is great at volumizing, lengthening, thickening, thickifying. So when I got to go, I'm gonna give you a wiggle at the base of the lash and start wiggling upwards. Just you wanna hold it at that base. The old Jackie, 2014 Jackie's back. I have been wearing less falsies lately and just kind of let my natural lashes breathe just because, I don't know, the summer looks have just been hitting different without falsies. I also wear way less shadow, by the way, like way less. I cannot get over like how good my skin looks. Because this mascara is so like explosive, I don't like to put too much on my bottom lashes because then it'll cast a little bit of a shadow under my eye. So I like to keep it clean, simple, and very minimal. Like I just kind of take the brush vertically and just lightly graze over the lashes in that area so that it looks light and clean and less boom like the top lash. Look at how the glow is hitting. I haven't added highlight, I haven't added blush, I haven't added anything yet. Now I cannot guarantee your lashes are gonna look exactly like this, so don't be in the comments saying stuff. But what I will say is that you cannot go wrong with a good volumizing mascara. And because the lashes are sort of, well, the skin too, but the lashes are kind of the standout part of an everyday look like this for me. So I do like a little bit of a thicker standout lash. You know, a little clump never hurt nobody. Don't be shy. And get every lash hit different angles. Look at the wrist, rotate around. I'm not shy about the fact that I like to even double, triple coat sometimes. So don't be afraid to go there, girl. Stunning, sweet love, yes. We do. But I think we're missing a little bit of color. There's some lip stains in this new collection. I have 6 to be exact. These are the It's Complicated Glossy Lip Stain / Lip Oil. And what you may not know is these are not just reserved for your lips, which is great because when I'm quickly trying to get the hell in and out, I need a product that I can use like 3 or 4 different ways sometimes. And these retail for $6.99, so 7 Zolas. So I'm gonna take the shade Mischief. Sounds crazy, but look, I'm actually using this kind of bronze, but I can see why they suggested this because there's a bit of red. And I'm not gonna lie, I am a fan of using my blush like with my bronzer or contour just to kind of warm up the skin. Look how pretty that looks. Done! Let's add some more. And that is a very hydrating formula, by the way. For my cheeks, I'm actually gonna swap to the shade Classy, and Classy is a bright red. And y'all already know my deep, long-standing love affair with orange and red rich blushes. Stunning! Oh, my complexion. Oh my God. I'm biased, okay? Get into it, because it looks scary, but watch. Put on a little bit here. I told y'all I'm not playing this summer. Like, what part of I'm about to be outside, sun-kissed, drenched, blazed, on fire, did y'all not understand? Like, I was dead serious. Okay, girl, so just blend this out. And yeah, a little scary in the tube, but on our complexion, once it's blended out and sheared out, so gorgeous. And dare I even say, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do the nose thing. And then I'm gonna just blend around the edges with a little bit of that faux concealer that we created. I actually think this is really, really pretty on my nose. I literally look like I'm blushing. Just so y'all know, Black people do blush. Like, I don't know if you know that, but we do. And then for my lips, they gave us actually a really good bronzer nude. The color is Casually Lit. Casually Lit, I'm actually gonna apply with my fingers. Gorgeous, oh my God, that color. I do look for the girls who have dark lips and are mad at it. Girl, like even without liner, look how stunning this color is. I like the way that it shaped my lips too. And that's it, I'm ready to go. No, you need to get into the skin, just kidding. Let me give you one last close up. Ooh, that looks so juicy. I feel like I look like a glowy, juicy strawberry. Am I giving you a little K-beauty? That is how I get this 5 minutes or less. I promise you this takes 5 minutes if I'm not running my mouth. I swear. That is how I get today's easy, effortless glam look. And thank you again to OMA by Sharon C for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys for hanging out on today's video. If you guys wanna watch another video, I'm gonna put it right here. And don't say you don't have time for another video. You've already stayed and watched this one, so I don't wanna hear it. Go ahead and click the next video. I'll wait.